In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF file in Outlook email body. First, make sure you're using the classic Outlook desktop app on Windows. This method doesn't work in the new Outlook or web version. A quick clue: if you don't see the object command on the ribbon, you're probably not in classic Outlook. Start by opening a new email. With the message window active, go to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. In the text group, look for the Object button. Sometimes it's behind the three dots menu if the window isn't wide enough, so expand the menu if needed. When the Object dialog opens, switch to the Create from File tab. Click Browse, select the PDF you want, and click Open. You'll see the file path and a couple of options. To embed the PDF as a visual preview, leave Display as icon unchecked. Outlook will place an image of the PDF's first page in your message. If you want a cleaner message, check Display as icon. Outlook inserts a standard PDF icon with the file name. The recipient can double-click to open the document. Once you've chosen how it appears, click OK. The PDF is now embedded in the email body. If you opted for preview, it acts like an image. You can resize it using corner handles or drag it to reposition. Whether preview or icon, the full PDF travels with the email, and recipients can open it by double-clicking. For best results, use HTML or rich text format, since plain text won't support embedded objects. Mind file size, as large PDFs can slow sending. Trimming pages or optimizing the file helps. While Outlook shows the embedded preview, other apps may display it as a regular attachment, which is normal. That's it. Open a new message, go to Insert, choose Object, pick Create from File, select your PDF, decide on Preview or Icon, and confirm. Your PDF is now embedded in the email body, ready to send.